Alright, do you want to learn how to make textures for your meshes? Then just watch. To get started, open your mesh up and select it. Make sure you're in a Blender render. And so go over to your properties and go to material. Add a new material and color whatever you want. It's gonna be green, and that's one color. But the way you get more colors is have the faces selected right here, and select the faces you want to color differently. And now that I got them, I click in new material and make the color, so blue, and then I click assign. So you got your green and your blue, and now if I was to like this, grab and add a new material again, just make it red, just for fun. Sign. Here you colored it, and now you gotta export it basically. So you click on UV image editor, click new, color grid, and just click OK. Now go back to your object, select all vertices with A, and click U, then light map pack, and then just click OK. This will show up, and next up you go over to this camera for render. Take out all these, and then go to bake and click on textures. Make your margin like 30 or something. Doesn't really matter, just don't make it too low. Click on bake. Hold up. Down here, make sure it's on texture. And click on bake. See what if I want to bake. Bake, damn it. New color grid. Okay, so now you can bake it. Maybe that's what it will export as. So maybe you'd want to like go to here and make the color a little different because it's so bright. Yeah. And then just bake it again, and voila, you got your get the texture, so save it as an image. There you go. Now you do that. Now if you want it to be more realistic, crap, okay. I'm just going to render and click on ambient, and then click bake. You got your more realistic with shadows and stuff. So image, save image. Just go back and click it. There you go.